Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your middle pet in gag combat. This strategy is the single most effective way to leverage your pet's abilities, ensuring optimal performance in any battle scenario. By understanding its unique role, you can significantly enhance your team's overall power and survivability. We will delve into the precise methods for selecting, training, and deploying your pet to achieve maximum impact, making every encounter more manageable and successful. This is truly the only way to unlock your pet's full potential. Selecting the right pet is paramount for this strategy. You must choose a pet that offers a balanced blend of support and resilience. Look for one with a strong laugh boost, ideally providing at least a 20-point increase, and ensure it possesses either a powerful healing trick or a consistent lure. Training its play dead and beg tricks to their maximum potential is crucial, as these provide invaluable in-battle support. This careful selection forms the bedrock of the only way approach. During combat, your middle pet's positioning is key. Always place it centrally among your toons to ensure its area of effect buffs or healing tricks reach everyone. Deploy its healing trick immediately after a significant enemy attack to restore health, or use its lure to control dangerous cogs. The play dead trick is invaluable. Activate it to absorb incoming damage or bypass negative status effects, effectively shielding your toon and maintaining battle control. This precise timing is essential for the only way strategy. To truly maximize your middle pet's impact, integrate it seamlessly with your team's gag tracks. It synergizes exceptionally well with toons using sound gags, providing sustained healing while they deal area damage, or with trap users by luring cogs into position. Remember to use its beg trick to replenish gag points for your allies, a critical advantage in longer encounters. This comprehensive approach, focusing on selection, training, and tactical deployment, is the singular, most effective way to utilize your pet, ensuring consistent victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.